Hello students, welcome to Hayagreev Foundation YouTube channel. Students, as you all know that India is 7th largest country. Its total area is 32,87,263 square kilometer. Such a large area we are having, and also you know that from north to south and west to east a lot of distance is there. Then we cannot expect the same kind of physical features throughout the country. That's what we have divided India's physical features into 4 divisions. So let us discuss about this in the lesson India Physiography. As I told that India's physiography has classified into 4 divisions. So they are nothing but the northern mountains, nothing but Himalayan mountains. Then the great northern plains. Then peninsular plateau, and then coastal plains and highlands. So like this we have divided India's physiography into 4 divisions. Again I'll repeat: the northern mountains, northern great plains, peninsular plateau, coastal plains and islands. So like this we have divided India's physiography. Students, let us discuss about the divisions of India one by one. The very first one is the northern mountains. Northern mountains are nothing but the Himalayan ranges. As you all know that Himalayas are the young fold mountains. It is young fold mountains which extends from Indus Gorge to Brahmaputra Gorge. Almost 2,400 kilometers of length we have. And students, the total area of Himalaya which occupies in India, that is almost 5 lakh square kilometer. 5 lakh square kilometer. The speciality of these Himalayas, that is, you can observe here the width of the Himalayas are wider in the west side and it is narrow in the east side. And also one more speciality we can expect, so that is the slopes of the Himalayas. The slopes of the Himalayas are there. So that is, towards the north side it has gentle slope, but towards the south side it has steep slopes. These are the specialities of the Himalayas. And on the basis of its altitudes, its height, we have divided Himalayas into 3 ranges. It has 3 parallel ranges. They are nothing but Himadri, Himachal and Sivalik. Himadri, it is also called as Greater Himalayas. Then Himachal, which is also called as Lesser Himalayas. And then Sivalik, it is also called as Outer Himalayas. So first let us discuss about Himadri. What do you mean by Himadri? So Himadri, it covers throughout the year with the snow. It is completely filled with the snow throughout the year. Hence it is called as Himadri. Himadinda avrutavagiruvanthaddu. Himadri. And then why I called the Himadri as Greater Himalayas also means the average height of the Himadri or Greater Himalayas 6,100 meters. Average height of the Greater Himalayas ranges or peaks are there, that is 6,100 meters. And some mountains are there which is more than 8,000 meters also. For example, Mount Everest, its height is 8,848 meters, which is considered the highest peak in the world, Mount Everest. And then Mount Godwin Austen, 8,611 meters. It is the highest peak in India. Mount Everest is the highest peak in the world. Mount Godwin Austen, it is also called as K2, means Karakoram. K2 or Mount Godwin Austen, it is the highest peak in India, and some other peaks are Kanchanajunga, Makalu, Dhaulagiri. So like this, many mountains we can see which is more than 8,000 meters in height. And then we have some mountain passes also in the Himadri. What is this mountain passes? Mountain passes are nothing but the navigatable route. It is nothing but navigatable route, a mountain range. A navigatable route through a mountain range which helps in trade, which helps in the movement of human beings and the animals, nothing but migration. And also this mountain passes helps in wartime also. So like this mountain passes from the ancient time we are utilizing. And then the important mountain passes which is found in the Himadri are Shipkila, Barzil and Jozila. Okay na? Shipkila, Barzil and Jozila. So these are the very important mountain passes which is found in the Himadri or Greater Himalayas. And then one more feature is there in the Himadri, that is nothing but glaciers. You know, many glaciers are there in the Himadri. Glaciers are there so that we can see in the mountain ranges or else in the polar regions. Okay. So likewise in the Himadri also we can find some glaciers. The important glaciers are Gangotri, Yamunotri, the birthplace of river Gangotri, and then the birthplace of river Yamuna, that is Yamunotri. Like this many glaciers are found in the Himadri. Okay students, in the Himadri we came to know about the highest peaks, okay, and then mountain passes and also some glaciers. Then let us go to Himachal. Himachal, it is also called as Lesser Himalayas. Compared to Himadri or Greater Himalayas, the altitude of Himachal or height is very less. That's what it is called as Lesser Himalayas. The average height of Himachal, that is in between 1500 to 4500 meters in height. 4500 meters in height. Okay. Some parallel ranges are there, means highest parallel ranges we can find in the Himachal. They are nothing but Pirpanjal, Dauladhar, Nagatibba, Mussoorie. So like this many parallel mountain ranges are there. Many mountain ranges we can see in the Himachal. And along with this many mountain valleys also we can see. Those valleys are KKK. Okay na? So all three names of valleys which is found on the Himachal is starts from K itself. KKK. What is this KKK? Kashmir, Kulu, Kangra. Kashmir, Kulu, Kangra. So these are the very important valleys found in the Himachal. And then some hill stations are there. Some hill stations are found in the Himachal. So which are those? For that one code I can say, that is Shimunada RC. Shimunada RC. So what do you mean by Shimunada RC? Shi means Shimla. Mu means Mussoorie. Na means Nainital. Da means Darjeeling. R means Ranikhet. And then Chakrata. This is the code for the hill stations of Himachal. Okay, Shimunada RC. Then let us go to Sivalik. Sivalik, it is newly formed landmass. The speciality of this Sivaliks, it has dunes. What are these dunes? So dunes are nothing but the flat bottom and the longitudinal slopes. The flat bottom and the longitudinal structured valleys. Flat bottom, longitudinal structure valleys. So in that structure, that valleys you can find in the Sivalik. So that is called as dunes. So like this many dunes are found in the Sivalik. Okay. Best example for dunes, one best example, that is nothing but Dehradun, the capital city of Uttarakhand. So these are the three parallel ranges of Himalayas: Himadri, Himachal, Sivalik. Greater Himalayas, Lesser Himalayas and outer Himalayas. Then let us understand the importance of Himalayas now. You know students, after constructing the house, to protect it, we will construct a compound. Okay, so dogs or thieves should not enter into the house very easily. So for that intention, we will construct a compound. Like that, we have a natural compound, that is nothing but Himalayas. So it is protecting us from the enemies. So many times Himalayas have protected us from the enemies. So it acts like a natural frontier. It acts like a natural frontier. And moreover, from the Siberian region, cold wind blows towards the south side. Okay, that cold winds will be protected by or checked by Himalayas. And students, as I told that Himalayas are the birthplace of rivers. Many rivers gets birth in the Himalayas. So because of this, many natural waterfalls have created. With the help of these waterfalls, we can generate the hydroelectricity. That is also one of the advantage. And then this Himalayan ranges checks the winds, which brings, it checks the rain bearing winds and causes for heavy rainfall in this region. So that's what agriculture also is possible here. Many medicinal plants also found in this land. And also very important one is, it is the birthplace of many wild animals. Students, so in this topic we understood that the 4 divisions of India's physiography, and in that Himalayas, 3 parallel ranges, Himadri, Himachal, Sivalik, and the importance of Himalayas. About this we discussed in this topic. Then next let us go to the Great Northern Plains. Students, after discussing about the Great Northern Mountains, let us discuss about another physical features of India, that is the Northern Great Plains. The Northern Great Plains. The Northern Great Plains is located between the Northern Mountains and the Peninsula Plateau. In between this, what land is there, that we will call as the Northern Great Plains. Actually, this Great Plain is formed by the 3 river system. So which are those 3 rivers? That is river Ganga, Sutlej and Brahmaputra. So because of these 3 rivers depositional work in this region, this land has been formed. It has covered almost 7 lakh square kilometer. 7 lakh square kilometer of land it has occupied. And the length between west to east is 2500 kilometers. 2500 kilometers. And students, as many rivers are there in the northern plains, many perennial rivers are there. Perennial rivers means throughout the year it will be filled with water. So because of this, the entire land is filled with alluvial soil. Okay, this alluvial soil is formed by the rivers which flow from the Himalayas. Then, as this land is having many advantages, the total population of India is in that 40% of the population are taking shelter in this land itself. Many activities will be taken place in this land. So that's what it is called as the heart of India. This region is also called as the heart of India. So for that, to support for this statement, I can give some more points for that. So that is, this land has complete irrigation facilities. As I told that, this region is having many perennial rivers, so irrigation is possible throughout the year. As irrigation is possible throughout the year, agriculture developed very well. Different kind of crops will be cultivated throughout the year. Farmers will be engaged in the agriculture field throughout the year. As this land is flat, or the Great Plains levels land is, it is very much suitable for the cultivation of roads, railways, and also it is helpful for the development of communication. As all these facilities are there, especially water supply and labor facilities and very good climatic condition, because of all these facilities, many industries are located in this region. Students, as you all know that where the industries regions are there, their human habitations are more. The number of workers will migrate from one place to another place by searching the job where the industries are more. So due to this, what happened, urban areas will grow. So because of industrialization, urbanization also has taken place in this region. And one more very important thing is, it has many pilgrim centers. Many pilgrim centers are there, like Kashi, Rishikesha, Haridwara. Like this, many pilgrimage centers are there. So it attracts the tourist also. So because of all these features, in this land, the number of people are more. More population it has. Hence, more activities also are there. Economical activities are there. Hence, it is called as heart of India. So these are the advantages of the northern Great Plain. The northern Great Plain. Then, after learning the northern Great Plain, let us discuss about the peninsular plateau. Peninsular plateau.
ನಾವು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋ ವಿಡಿಯೋಗಳು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಗಿದ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಪಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲಿರೋ ಬೆಲ್ ಐಕಾನ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಮಾಡೋ ವಿಡಿಯೋಗಳ ನೋಟಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಮೊದಲು ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಯಾವುದೇ ರೀತಿ ಸಂದೇಹಗಳಿದ್ರೆ ಕಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್